Hello, students. Welcome back, everyone. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well. Students, in this class, I'm going to teach you about collective nouns. So, here we go with the definition of collective nouns. Collective nouns refers to a group of people, animals, or things treated as a single unit. For example, army, family, fleet, flock, bunch, team, etc. Students, if you have any confusions about nouns and types of nouns, watch our previous sessions. I have explained with easy examples. Students, collective means a collection of similar things. Example, a word army stands for a collection of soldiers. Students, family is also a collective noun. A group of people related by birth stands for family. Example, I have enjoyed summer vacation with my family. So you have to underline family as a collective noun. Bouquet. A bouquet stands for a collection of flowers. A dash of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. Here we go with another example. Let's see. The ship had a crew of 100 sailors. A crew of sailors means a group of sailors. A gang of robbers entered the bank at night. A dash of robbers. A gang of robbers. Students, watch this session till the end. I have given some important questions at the end of the session. A dash of wolves. A pack of wolves attacked the travelers. A collective noun of a group of stars. A galaxy of stars, or also you can call a cluster of stars. A group of puppies called a litter of puppies. Litter is a collective noun. A group of players comes under a team of players. Team is a collective noun. Moving to the next example, a group of ships, also called a fleet of ships. Students, fleet comes under the collective noun. Students, observe over here. A large group of birds stands for a fleet of birds. Fleets comes under a collective noun. Let's see another examples. A large group of animals like elephants, goats, buffaloes, cows comes under a collective noun. Herd. A herd of cows, a herd of deer, a herd of elephants. Here I'll give you an example in a sentence. We saw a herd of cattle in the field. Let's see another collective noun. A waddle of penguins, a parliament of owls, a shrewdness of apes, a bloat of hippos. Here the words waddle, parliament, shrewdness, bloat comes under the collective noun. A dash of goats, a flock of goats. Students, observe over here. Flock stands for a group of small or mid-sized animals. Example in a sentence over here. I saw a flock of sheep in the field. Here flock is a collective noun. Students, here we go with another examples. A bunch of bananas, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of keys, a bunch of flowers. Students, bunch, a collective noun. used for a number of things of the same type. A swarm of bees, a swarm of ants, a swarm of flies. Swarm stands for a large group of insects. Example in the sentence: a dash of bees flew out of the hive. A swarm of bees flew out of the hive. Students, here are some examples of common collective nouns. You must memorize it. Students, watch this session till the end. You have some important questions related to degree semester 1 final exam. Here are some more examples of common collective nouns used for people. You must memorize it. Common collective nouns used for animals. Here are some more common collective nouns used for things. You must memorize it. Now, students, here you have a task from collective nouns. Go through it, guess the answers, and correct yourselves. Students, a large group of flying birds called a fleet of birds. A small group of birds called a flock of birds. A fleet of ships. A herd of cattle, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, an army of ants, a bale of hay, a bunch of grapes, a pride of lions, a bowl of rice, a bed of oysters, a band of musicians, a gaggle of geese, a chest of drawers, a choir of singers, a range of mountains, a forest of trees. Students, when you are unsure of whether to use a singular or plural verb, you can add members of before the collective nouns and then use a plural verb because members are plural. For example, the members of family are each doing a separate chore. The members of jury were allowed to go home to their families each day. Students, here are and were are the plural forms of verb. Students, I hope this topic is completely clear. If you are new to this channel and not yet subscribed, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get upcoming details. Here are some more examples of common collective nouns used for birds. You must memorize it. A school of fish. Now, here are some more examples of common collective nouns used for sea animals. Students, here you have all types of nouns, questions related to exam. As per exam question paper pattern, I have given some important questions. Let's go through it and do the revision. Question 1. Google is my favorite search engine. Identify the proper noun. Students, here Google is a proper noun because it's a particular name. Second one, lamp, computer, clock, motivation, star. Identify the abstract noun. Motivation is an abstract noun. Here we go with the third question. I purchased a dash of flowers to present on her birthday. Use a collective noun. A collection of flowers called a bouquet, so you have to write over here under collective noun bouquet. Coming to the fourth question, the car's mileage is below 20 kilometers per hour. Identify the compound noun. Mile plus age combined together makes a mileage. So, mileage comes under compound noun. Here, continuing with some more important questions. Hyderabad is a cosmopolitan city. Identify the common noun. Students, here city is the correct answer because city comes under the common noun. A dash of robbers. Fill in the blank with collective noun. A collection of robbers called a gang of robbers. Bob Dylan, the Nobel Prize winner, is an American songwriter. Identify the common noun. Students, writer is a common noun. Coming to the fourth question. A dash of cattle. Fill in the blank with a collective noun. As I have explained in the previous sessions, collection of cows, buffaloes, deer, elephant, you can count under a herd of cattle. Coming to the fifth question, Hyderabad is the most populated city in Telangana. Identify the common noun. Students, here city is a common noun. Next question, a dash of wolves. Fill in the blank with a collective noun, a pack of wolves. Seventh one, a galaxy of stars. Fill in the blanks with the collective nouns. Coming to the eighth question, ever since industrialization, cities have become overpopulated. Identify the common noun. Students, cities comes under the common noun because it is not specifying any particular name of city. Question 9. Radha was sitting in a park. Identify and underline the common noun. Here not mentioned particular name of park, so park comes under the common noun. Coming to the 10th question, a dash of flowers. Fill in the blanks with a collective noun, a bunch of flowers or a bouquet of flowers. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next session with the new topic. Until then, keep learning.